Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication for iCloud on your iPhone. This is a quick and easy way to keep your information safe. Let's dive in. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. Now open Settings, tap on your name at the top to get your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Sign in and Security. You should see two-factor authentication, tap on it. Tap Turn on. You will be asked to enter your Apple ID password. Once you do that, your phone will start the setup. Enter a phone number where you get a verification code. Choose if you want the code by text or call, then tap Next. You will get a code on your phone. Enter that code to finish setting up. Once you enter the code, you will see a screen saying two-factor authentication is turned on. That's it. Your iCloud is now more secure. Setting up two-factor authentication is an easy way to add extra protection to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, stay safe and see you next time.